Hey, welcome back to my channel, family. It's Andrea from Budgeting Sweet Cecile, and it is time for Box Challenge Monday. Today, we are going to do just one box. We're going to get into my 600 subscriber thank you. I created this box as a thank you to everybody for your support and your love, and it's available on my Ko-fi. It's a freebie on my Ko-fi for achieving 600 subscribers. So I thought I would try this box challenge today. Today I have brought 50 that we are going to put in. The $50 in prop represents $50 of coin, toonies and loonies that I have upstairs in my bank binder to represent what we have going on in this book. So we have some instructions. And the instructions are just telling you for the search and save, you will look for the icon on the card and save the amount. For the color and save, you go to the color and save option. You can use it as a catch-all, or you can use the card to go to this challenge and roll and save what you choose. And then of course for shut the fridge, you will roll a d6 die, mark off what you get. If you roll the same number twice, you will add up the remaining numbers and save that amount. If you mark off, you can mark off any two numbers to add up to the number that was rolled. So that is it for the instructions. We are going to put this $50 in here to represent what we have up in the bank binder. So let us open this up and put that in here. And so that will represent what we have. Okay, so there's that. This comes with 2 IOUs. It comes with a whole bunch of cards. And so let us begin. We have our cards here. They've been shuffled already. So I'm just going to pull them out, and we will put our discard cards in this little bucket. And we have our little paper clip to clip when we're ready. Okay? And we have our markers here. So our first card, oh, I forgot. We're going to break this down into smaller prop. And so I've done that here. Let's get out some sort quick, and we will put some dollars into this challenge. We have 5, 10, 15, 25, 30, 2, 4, 6, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 40. 50, sorry. We have $50 on the tray, and let us begin. Our first card, search and save. This looks like cleaning, but cleaning like for laundry. So let's go over to the section that is for laundry, living room, and it is here, and this is $3. So we're going to pull this out, and we're going to color this off and put 3. That is done. Our next card, oh, well, we have to put $3 into the challenge. So there's that. So we're just going to leave it out for now. Our next one is shut the fridge, and we're going to color off an icon once we've done that. I'm going to use green so we can see it a little better. And this is going to have to go back into the challenge. For shut the fridge, we're going to roll 2 d6 die, and let's do here. Okay. We've got 6. But you know what? If there's 6, we should probably only roll 1. I don't know if I can do that now that I've rolled 2. Let's do that. So we got 6. Got 5. Got 3. Got 1. Got 2. We got 4. We shut the fridge. Shut the fridge. Okay. Now, I did not even decide how much are we saving if we shut the fridge. I feel like we need to roll. We're gonna roll a d12. If we shut the fridge, we roll a d12 and we save whatever it is. Let's see. $8. That's pretty good. Oh my goodness, that's a first. Shut the fridge. We saved. Excellent. And I'm gonna write $8. We saved. Okay. Yay. So that card's gonna go back in. So let us just shove it in there. Our next one is color and save. That also has to go back in. Let's see. Let's roll 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna save $4 into this, into catch-all. And we're gonna color our ladybug in red. Okay. And we put $4 in there. Okay. This is going to go back in. Our next card. This, I believe, is in living room. Let's see, in living room. Yep. We're going to save $3 for this one. 1, 2, and 3 going into that. Okay, our next card is also here, $4 going into that. So let's put a 1 back and take a 5. Okay, our next card. Oh, 2 times the next card. Okay, what's the next card? $5. Yikes. I feel like this one, let's see. Is this in the bathroom? Maybe this is just in cleaning, the bedroom. Ah, here, windows. So 2 times the next card is $10. So $10 going in for this one. Those 2 are done. Okay, our next card. This one is $1. Okay. Our next one, this is vacuuming. And this looks like it's in the living room. Bathroom. There it is. And it's $1. Our next card, color and save. $3. 1, 2, and 3. Actually, we're going to put 1 back. We're going to put these all back and take a 5. Okay. Okay. Next card. This is $5. start at the beginning. Let's see. Here it is. In bedroom. Here this guy is. He's $1. Okay, bathroom. Kitchen, bathroom. This is $4. 3 $3 left. Okay, and maybe our last card. Oh, it is our last card. This is in bedroom. Let's go back to bedroom. This guy, $3. Okay, that takes care of that. This is going in here. And we are done. Okay, so we're gonna put this on this card to indicate we are finished with that. These are all gonna go face down. Okay, and then let us go back to the beginning and see what we put in. Including supplies, we put in $11, $15, $16. Okay. Okay, $16 going in there. In bedroom, we put in $4. Okay. In there. This is a cute box challenge. I really like it. I'm a little biased since I created it, but I like Ladybugs. This one put in $4. $4 going into this one. Into bedroom. Living room net us $8. Okay. Laundry got us $3. Shut the fridge got us $8. Excellent. And our catch-all got us $7. This is awesome. This is so cute. I enjoyed this. So this will be Box Challenge Monday for the next little while. Okay. So we have put in $50 into our box challenge, and we will see how much this saved. I'm going to use this to save for my house maintenance, I guess, for lack of a better option. We always need to save for stuff going on at the house. So we're going to do that. We have our little Ladybug mascot here. So this is a challenge that I created for her, and that's it, guys. Until I see you again next week. This was short and sweet, but until I see you again, have a wonderful week. Take care. Bye-bye.